recently, I say recently, probably a couple of months ago now, KDE decided to release KDE 6. I wanted to have a look at it and see what it was like, and I don't believe it's, or if it is, it's in the process of being ported over to FreeBSD ports collection packages. I wanted to have a look at it before it gets there and see if it's any good, because most of my regular viewers will know I'm a fan of KDE. I like KDE. I thought we'd take a look at it today. Okay, so for the purposes of this little exploration, I installed KDE NEON, downloaded it straight from KDE NEON website, which is neon.kde.org, and it's running right here, as you will see. I thought I'd just have a quick look, so just to show you, here we go, KDE NEON 6, 604, 610, 670 and kernel 6.5. A lot of sixes going on there, 6666. Turns out that my box is running Intel HD graphics, so that's good to know. So at least I know that now. Anyway, let's get on and have a look at it. This is running Chrome, just installed through, I believe it was Flatpak, which, yeah, take it or leave it, whether you like it or not. But I wanted to just have a look at it and see what it was like. So, it's based on Ubuntu LTS 2204. Okay, that's fine. That's all I wanted to know. Yeah, so here's the desktop. It looks kind of pretty. Out of the box, I haven't done much. I've logged in once. I've installed a couple of bits of software, just stuff that I would use. And the first thing I had to do was scale down on the resolution. For some reason, it was up at 300%. So out of the box, it looked like this, which is just, how can you use that? So I scaled it back down to 100. Blinking cables get in the way. Yeah, so I did that, and I just changed the desktop background. I went to dark mode. Ooh, didn't know you could do that. That's nice. I don't remember seeing these kind of options before. So SDDM, you can change the settings. That's pretty cool. Okay, this card didn't make any changes. Right, okay. Right, so yeah, again, didn't do much else. I just changed the wallpaper. The standard was, where is it? I think it was very simple. It was that one, Scarlet Tree, I think. Yeah, so that's the one it came with. I don't much care for that. I went for the summer 1 AM. Again, this is all subjective. There's no right or wrongs for this. It's whatever you prefer. Yeah, and then I installed a few bits. GIMP, Chrome, Kdenlive, LibreOffice, FreeBSD Studio, and a few other bits. But I'm not really too bothered about the software today. What I wanted to look at was how KDE behaves. And I'll be honest, it's familiar, but also slightly different, but not by much, in all fairness. What we got down here, it does seem very smooth, which is quite amazing on this hardware, given that it's a Pentium. Yeah. Loads of settings, look at it all. I don't remember this kind of granular control before, but I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Don't remember seeing that in the previous version in KDE 5. Interesting that it's picked up Bluetooth. I didn't know this had Bluetooth. Probably does. Anyway, like I said, it's very smooth. Like it. Okay, then I'll go back to where it was. There we go. I assume I can, yeah, Yeah, there's a lot here. I like that. That is very cool. That is very cool. Yeah, very good. Very good. I'm liking this. It like I said, it's very familiar, but also no, it's very smooth. I don't think that the camera is really going to do that justice, but there doesn't seem to be any tearing or anything like that. I really like this. It's a lot of work has gone into this. You can see it. It's pretty quick as well. It's very quick actually. Okay, interesting. Anyway, it's not what I'm there to look at. So the software opening up, it is, yeah, like I said, very quick, snappy. Let's close Google. If it's that quick, I wonder what it's like on playback. Yeah, I wonder how quick it is. I mean, how good playback is. You just take a look at my last video. I've got to be honest, that looks pretty good. I don't know, maybe it's me, but that doesn't look like there's any tearing or... Yeah. That looks good. Pleasantly surprised. This is always one to check. That was extremely quick. 24.4. I wonder if that's the newest. Wouldn't be surprised if it is. Whoa, that says 24.2. Yeah, that's literally the latest. I like that. Yeah, this is... I really hope that that's in... I've got to check actually, because I want to know if this is in FreeBSD ports collection yet or not. Let's have a look. So it is now in FreeBSD ports collection. I might have to get that installed and have a look. Yeah, I'm going to take a look at that at some point. Not today, maybe next week. See how it runs on FreeBSD, because it runs very well on this. I really have got nothing to complain about. I mean, that runs very, very well. It's very snappy. Alright, quick restart and see how long that takes. It's come along leaps and bounds from when I used to use it before. That almost felt as smooth as a polished OS can get. And I'm sorry to say it, but that felt as smooth initially as using Windows. And that was quite a quick boot up. What was that? 30 seconds, if that, for a restart. I am pleasantly surprised by that. I'm going to get that installed on a FreeBSD box, probably the same box, and see how it goes, because that was very nice. Be interesting to know if it's as good on a FreeBSD box as it is on a Linux box. Now, I suspect it won't be as good yet, till I figure out what driver to use on the flaming thing. I like it. If you're using KDE 6 already, please do drop a comment. Drop a comment if you're not using it and let me know why. Be interesting to hear your thoughts. Discord server link is down in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.